Hey, welcome back to Beauty Bee. I forgot to film an intro earlier, so here I am introducing the video. Hope you enjoy. I'm just gonna put on some eye primer. So this is actually the second time today that I've tried to put on my makeup. The first time I was like, oh, I'm wearing this bright blue shirt. I would love to do a little bit more color. So I wanted to do bright pink on the lid. And then I realized that I ran into a pretty massive quality control problem with my e.l.f. Very Bad Quad yesterday. So I'm not going into that pink anytime soon. You'll hear about that sometime. Hopefully it will be resolved with e.l.f. soon. I'm just gonna go in with this, let's stay out of the sun. I'm just gonna go in with this matte Mauve purple transition shade on a fluffy crease brush. So now what we're doing is keeping this quite neutral and sort of cool toned. And I'm just taking that on my crease and then moving it down just a little bit. Right. So we're keeping this very, very easy. I'm going to go into this gray shade. I find that it pulls a little bit warmer on my eye than it looks in the pan. I'm just going to take that on my finger and put that all over the lid. This is kind of an interesting shadow because I think it looks fairly cool toned right now, but I find that as it wears down, it tends to look warmer and warmer until it looks not bronze, but like a very warm taupe at the end of the day, which I've never had that experience with a shadow before. Have you guys? Isn't that kind of weird? Oh, and sorry for my nails. I know that they're really, really not looking good right now. Tati would say it's because I don't have my life together, and she's right, so I can't even get mad about that. I want a little bit of highlight, so I'm going to go into this white shade with some iridescent purple shimmer. I really don't see the white show up much at all, but I do see the shimmer. I'm going to go ham with that on a shader brush, both under my eye and stick it a little bit in my inner corner. Sorry, I'm going to go ham with that under my eyebrow and in the inner corner. Okay, so let's fill in the brows and put on some mascara. I keep hearing that the beauty community has completely blown up in the last week, but I haven't looked into what's been happening, and I'm not sure I want to. I'm so over it. I just want to stay in my little bubble of watching, like, the beauty news ladies, and Teresa's Dead, and Yellow Nyquist, and Hannah Poston, and just never seeing any drama. Although I think a couple of them have made videos about the drama. I've been ignoring those too. I just don't care. I think it's bizarre that the beauty gurus are now like the top tier, are now like these mini celebrities. This aren't even, so I'm gonna fill in this one a little more. That people even care about their drama? But then I know that I got kind of caught up in Dramageddon last year. I was following that story for a couple days, and I have no desire to do that again. Although it looks like this time it's more serious and there's more people involved, and we didn't need a sequel. The trilogy that is Dramageddon just needs to stop. Okay, so I like that. Ooh, I blinded myself this time instead of you guys. Okay, so mascara. Don't know why I put my mirror aside. Doing mascara without a mirror is asking for like eye impalement. Should I go on the lower lashes? Yes, I think I will today. Okay, is there like a compilation video somewhere of different YouTubers putting mascara on their lower lashes? Because I feel like everyone does a stupid face, but it's like a slightly different stupid face for everyone, and I'd be amused by that. I don't know if anyone else would. Should probably search that sometime. So I'm gonna use this cream blush. It's a rose that has quite a bit of sparkle in it. I'm just gonna dot that on my cheeks. 1, 2, 1, half, 1, 2. And I'm gonna blend in with my fingers. With some you'll want to move really fast, but I find I have a little bit more time with this particular shade brand formula. I actually only tried this one from the formula, so I don't know what's making it. I don't know if it's this particular color or anything that I would have a easy time blending out. So that has this color. I don't know how well you can see it, but it actually has quite a bit of glitter in it. Let me show you it in the tube, see if it shows up better there. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the sunlight catching on it. Yeah, quite a bit of glitter. So I'm gonna skip any other highlighter and just finish off with my lips. Again, whole theme of this look is we're going very neutral and a little bit cool toned. So I'm going to go in with this lip cream. I believe that the shade is Marvelous Mauve, though I will make sure to list what I'm using in the description box. Not so that you can buy things, but if you want to look at like Temptalia or something and see if you have anything really close, I think that could be really helpful. I feel like I can get through my bottom lip and half of my top lip before I need to refill. I should just go a little bit further. Alright, so I think that's it for my face. I will take my hair down, maybe put in some earrings, and be back in just a sec. See you soon. Okay, I'm back. So I kept this really neutral, really easy to wear. I think this would be work appropriate, school appropriate, messing around at home, trying to work appropriate, which is what I'm doing today. But I just wanted to film myself getting ready. Hadn't been able to do that in a few days. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you'll consider liking and subscribing. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.